the picture of a cup. So cup starts from C, and C is not vowel. So what we have to use? We have to use A. Then we have third number, and in the third we have a picture of an orange. A, and then we have a picture of orange. So orange. The orange starts with O, and O is a vowel. Okay, O is a vowel. So we have to use AN for orange because O is vowel, and we always use AN in front of the vowel. Then we have 4 number. So in the 4 we have a picture of a ball. Okay, picture of a ball. So ball starts with V, and V is not vowel. So what we have to use? We have to use A. Number 5. In the 5 we have a picture of ice cream. Okay, picture of ice cream. So ice cream starts with I, and I is vowel. So what we have to use? AN ice cream. 6. Picture of a this is a picture of umbrella. Okay, picture of an umbrella. An umbrella starts with U, and U is vowel, so we have to use AN. So you have to know first of all that what is the difference between A और AN. A का मतलब क्या हो रहा है और AN का मतलब क्या हो रहा है. दोनों का मतलब एक ही है. जब कोई भी चीज़ एक होती है सेंटेंस में तो हम एक को यूज़ करके, जैसे कभी कभी हम वन ना लिख के वन एप्पल ना बोलकर क्या बोलते हैं? एन एप्पल. ओके, एन एप्पल. ठीक, तो it also shows that here we have an apple in a one number, and an apple also shows that here we have an apple in a one number. मतलब an एप्पल, एक एप्पल, वन एप्पल, एक एप्पल. तो ये हो जाता है कि ये वन है जो वो थोड़ा सुटेबल ना होके एन एप्पल ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है. एन एप्पल, एक एप्पल. सो लाइक दिस वी हैव बॉल. सो वी हैव बॉल वर्ड. वन बॉल, a ball. Same goes to the A. One ball, एक ball, but a ball, एक ball. So this is, there is no different meaning of an or A. There is just we have to use, because ऐसा रूल है ग्रामेटिकल कि आपको वॉवल्स के साथ अगर एक चीज़ को शो करना है तो एन यूज़ करें और कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ ए. So this is all we have in a this, they are common, just we have to use an in front of the vowels and A in front of the consonants. Okay. Now we have question number G, and in this we have work in pairs, take turns to ask and answer questions about the picture. You may use the words from the box. So here we have a picture of a family, and in this we can see that there is there is two little girl, one father, mother, and the grandpa and grammy. That's all. We have to work in pairs. मतलब कि just like the other exercises, we have to choose the partner in the class, and we have to create some communications and conversations between us and take turns to ask. And according to the picture, we have to ask some questions to the partner. Like I will ask to my partner that is there an elephant in this picture? Because we have picture and we can use these given words to create a conversation. So if I will ask is there an elephant in this picture, so he or she will say no, there is not. Okay, नहीं, यहाँ नहीं है, because इस this picture में नहीं है. तो अगर है तो he will say yes there is, and अगर नहीं तो बोलते no there is not, like this. So like this you can use these 6 given words like tree. And you can also ask like is there a tree in this picture? So he will say yes there is tree. Are they in the house? Yes they are in the house. Umbrella, they have umbrella? Yes they have umbrella. Like this you can you can ask questions, or you can do this exercise with your partner at your home, and you have to choose the partner at your home. Now we have H number. H, and in this H we have fill in the blanks with A or AN. So let's start. With A or AN. Here we have our first sentence. Anu wanted dash kitten for a pet. Anu wanted dash kitten for a pet. Then we have Sheila has dash orange every day. Sheila has dash orange every day. Number 3. Have you seen Number 4. There is dash rainbow in the sky. Number 5. Paul had dash apple and a dash dosa for breakfast. Okay. Now I will solve it. Anu wanted a dash kitten for a pet. So what we have to use? We have to use A or AN according to the sentence or word which has given in this exercise to complete a sentence. Anu wanted a kitten. So kitten, K is consonant. So what we have to use? A. Anu wanted a kitten for a pet. Anu एक बिल्ली का बच्चा चाहती थी पेट के लिए. Sheila has dash orange every day. Dash orange every day. So orange, O is vowel. So what we have to use? AN. Sheila has an orange every day. Have you seen dash ostrich? So ostrich है तो O है like the previous one. So what we have to use? AN. There is a rainbow. So R is consonant. So what we have to use? A. There is a rainbow in the sky. Paul had an apple and a dosa. D is consonant. That's why I used A. And apple's A is vowel. That's why I have used AN here. Okay, now I will tell you the meaning. I have already told you the meaning of a first sentence. Now the second. Sheila has an orange every day. शीला रोज एक संतरा लेती है. हैव यू सीन एन ऑस्ट्रिच? क्या तुमने कोई ऑस्ट्रिच देखा है? देयर इज अ रेनबो इन द स्काई. देखो आसमान में वहाँ आसमान पर वहाँ इंद्रधनुष है. एंड द पॉल हैड एन एप्पल. पॉल एप्पल लेता है और डोसा as a breakfast. Paul had an apple and a dosa for breakfast. Paul है जो नाश्ते में एक सेव और डोसा लेता है. So this is all we have in this exercise, and that is enough for today's video. Till then, take care and be safe at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.